In this tutorial, we will see how to add some special effects to images. So let us open an image. So for example, if you have a document on your page, you might want to add a shadow to it. So let us see how we can do that. So we will import this image from a PDF, and then we will add a shadow to it. So you can find the special effects under filters. There are a lot of special effects that can be used. One of them is light and shadow. You can do a drop shadow, and then you will get a pop-up which will give you some parameters, like if the shadow has to be offset, and what will be the blur radius, the color of the shadow, and the opacity of the shadow. You can also allow resizing or may not allow resizing depending on which layer you have chosen. Obviously you can add shadow to a layer. If you do OK, then we see that a lot of plugins are running, and then we have a shadow. To see the shadow, we have to save it. So let us see. We will export it to something like this. And then look at the exported image. So let us go to that page. And open the shadowed image. We see there's a shadow around it. So this is how you can add shadow. You can also add a shadow to the layer as said. Let us open another image. So we are opening an image with transparency so that I can show you that the shadow keeps in mind the transparency of the layer. So if we put a shadow to this, you will see that the shadow is for the opaque parts. The transparent parts do not drop a shadow. So this is really nice because that is what ideally you would want it to be. Also understand that the shadow is a separate layer that is created. It is not in the same layer, it's a separate layer. So if you move the layer above it, you will be left with only the shadow. So this concludes our tutorial on how to do a drop shadow.